Solve problems involving rates. Rate is a ratio that compares two different quantities measured in different units. It shows how much of one quantity exists or is produced for a certain amount of other quantity. It is often expressed as a quantity per unit. Let us take this given example. The population of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in 2023 is approximately equal to 34 million, covering a country's land area of approximately 2 million square kilometers. What is its population per square kilometer? So first, we're going to find the unit area. So the given is population over square kilometer. So there are 34 million in KSA's population, and the land area of the kingdom is 2 million. So this 34 million over 2 million is what we call the rate. But we're going to find the unit rate. So unit rate means the denominator is 1. So in here, the denominator is 2 million. So to change it into 1, we will divide it by itself. So that 2 million divided by 2 million, it becomes 1. Now, we do not want the value to be affected. So we will divide the same number in the numerator. So 34 million divided by 2 million, that is 17. 2 million divided by 2 million is 1. So it's just the same with simplifying the given fraction into simplest form. And this 17 over 1 is called the unit rate. So in here, what is its population per square kilometer? So per 1 square kilometer, there are 17 people. So 17 people per square kilometer is our answer to this question. In given number 2, a rental service charges 40 riyals for an 8-hour bicycle rental. How much should the customer pay if they rent a bicycle for 10 hours? So let's start solving for the unit rate. So in our given, it is cost over hour. The cost is 40 riyals for 8 hours of bicycle rental. So this is our rate. Now, to change this into unit rate, we'll just simplify this. So divide both sides by 8. I mean the denominator and the numerator. So 40 divided by 8 is 5. 8 divided by 8 is 1. The cost, which is 5 riyals per hour, that is our unit rate. So this 5 riyals per hour, we're going to use this in order for us to identify how much should the customer pay if he wants to rent a bicycle for 10 hours. So to calculate the cost for 10 hours, we'll just simply multiply the 5 riyals times 10 hours. So that is equal to 50. Therefore, 50 riyals is the payment for a rental for 10 hours. In given number 3, a train travels 360 kilometers in 6 hours. How long will it take to cover 420 kilometers? So again, to find the unit rate, that the given is kilometers over time. So it takes the train to travel 360 kilometers distance for 6 hours. So to change this into unit rate, divide the denominator and the numerator by 6. 360 divided by 6 is 60. 6 divided by 6 is 1. And this is our unit rate. So this tells us that the train travels a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. So this is the speed. In order for us to calculate the time travel to 420 kilometers, so to solve for the time, we will just simply divide the distance or the kilometers divided by the speed. So the given kilometers is 420. Then the given speed is 60 kilometers per hour. That's the unit rate. 420 divided by 20. So that is 7. So therefore, it takes 7 hours to cover 420 kilometers distance with this train that has a speed of 60 kilometers per hour.